Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is in the knife playlist, knife reviews playlist. My name is Carl. I appreciate you taking your time and being with us here today. This is a brand called Game Winner, sold by Sports Authority. If I remember right, this was $10 or $12 for this knife. Can't remember. It's been a while since I bought these two. I have two blades. One's still in the package, one I took out a while back. Just haven't done anything with it yet. So let's go over the specifics on here. 3-inch blade, Rosewood double blade folding knife, 420 stainless steel blades, Rosewood handles, nail notch, clip point and spay blade, clip point blade length 3 inches, spay blade length 3.06 inches, overall length 7 inches. That's when it's opened up. What's on the back of here? We have this. We have the warning labels. Here is the barcode right here. And if that is focused in, you'll be able to read that. Made in China, distributed by Academy Limited. Academy.com. And I have no idea what this number is. Maybe that's when they put it on the shelves. 725.19, because that is a sticker. Anyway, it does come with 2 point guards or point covers. I don't know if OSHA makes knife manufacturers do this. I have no idea. I don't think it's a bad idea to do that at all. Here's a little emblem right here. So, I already have one of these opened up. Let's get a little bit closer look on here. Here's the brass bolsters. And I can't tell if they're plated or solid. It looks like it could be solid because the liner goes all the way through on both sides. Pretty smooth on the back. Not as smooth as the buck, but smooth enough where it won't be a problem in your pocket. Here's this end right here. Now that's completely smooth all the way across. This one, you can see the 2 blades right there. Here's the length of the blades, and this one on the right is off-centered a little bit, and this one on the left is almost centered. Let's go ahead and open these things up. Hear that? Pretty nice looking blades there. A lot sharper than some that I have opened up, I can tell already, but not as quite as sharp as they should be. There's the Game Winner logo right there. Looking for a Made in China mark on here. Don't see one, but it is definitely Made in China right there. Usually they'll put a China stamp on right here, one of the blades. I like the shape of the handle. You see how it's contoured right there. Thinner right here, and it gets a little bit fatter. The pins are completely flush. This one has a little nick in it right there, but that might be from when I may have dropped it one time. This blade is at 90 degrees, and you can see where this is coming up a little bit. Let me close that one for right now. Where is the closing snap point on here? Let's find that out. I can feel it getting a little bit closer. There we go. I'm sure you heard that. Let's find it on this one. Check out the tip on here. here we go. Snap point is right there. I kind of like this thing. It's not too heavy. Not too heavy to carry in your pocket. Buck 110 is way too heavy to carry in your pocket. But this one's not too bad. Of course the 110 is a much bigger knife. Just for giggles, I'm going to open up both of these blades. There we go. I'm going to hold it next to one of these rulers right here. I'm going to hold it at the 1 inch mark. And close enough, and here we have just a hair bit over 8 inches. Just a hair bit. Now what did this say? Fully opened 7 inches. Yep. I started on 1 inch and went to the 8, so just a hair over 7 inches long. There we go. Let's close this one right here. See how sharp this thing is. Let me set that up right there. Get a piece of paper to tear this out. How sharp is this going to be? It will cut. I've seen a lot sharper. Seen a lot worse too. Now it is going to need to have a blade put on it, so I'm just going to say right out of the package, that has a terrible cutting edge. Terrible. Let's go ahead and close that up. Open up this other blade right here and see what we have on this one. Come on now. Let's get some paper going here. This is a little bit sharper. Not a great deal, but it is cutting. So I'm going to say that needs to be put on my wicked edge sharpener. Let's put a blade edge on that thing so we can cut something with it. Check out this grind right here. So you can hold it without your finger going up to the blade itself. It should stop it. It's not going to stop it if you thrust it into something, of course, but just light use. It should stay there. This is a game winner knife. It doesn't have a name on it. We're just going to call this the Rosewood 7-inch game winner. Next time you get out to Sports Academy, go to the knife section. Check this thing out. You might like it, you might not like it, but it does look good in the collection because of the rosewood handle and the brass bolsters. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you spending your time with us.